Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in... No, man, fuck that! What has God ever done for me besides leaving me a broken shell of the man I used to be? And you used to see before believing all these lies. But I can still see the indecision in your eyes. It ain't an indecision, so scratch that. In fact, don't even start. I hold contentment in my heart. I mean, I'm alive and I'm thankful for each minute, even if it does mean spending my whole life with you in it. With me in it! Bitches ain't no fucking gimmick. This is real. Real life truth that all you got in this world is you. And if you think otherwise, you're a fool. A fool in your eyes, maybe. But a wise man in my own. I can't help it if you feel betrayed and all alone. I wish we could go and get back the bond we used to have before our setback. Setback? Motherfucker, just say it. We handicapped. Ever since we took that bull in the back, our severed spine stayed in the sands of Iraq. You've been acting all bitch with this guy crap. And what do we get for all of our nobility? A wheelchair and a check for disability. No. See, you're looking at all this the wrong way. It's not about the past, it's about what's happening today. This is just our path to walk. Opportunity still lies ahead. And it's better to celebrate our life than to mourn the dead. Our path to walk? Man, fuck you. This ain't no life. I wish we would have died plain and simple instead of waking up every morning and rolling on down to the steeple. I don't know what you want from me, but I have no regrets. The military taught me respect for God and country, to defend democracy, to preserve liberty. Cause we an army of one, right? More like an army of half. Face it, we're useless, broke, and dead in the ass. Oh, and speaking of which, don't you feel at least a little bit shitty when you look in our wife's eyes and all you see is pity? Shut your fucking mouth right now. I told you she's off limits. If you want to make our life hell, fine, but don't you dare drag her into it. And don't forget, it was her memory that gave us hope for a second chance at life. And that hope carried us when you were scared to die. Oh, I was scared to die, right? Fine, at least I don't hide from the truth. No, you hide from the world and you use your anger as an excuse. I use my anger to be free. You use blind faith so that you don't have to see. See what? A life, a body, our enduring struggle? I see far more than you will ever give me credit for. You don't see shit. You're wrong. I see a purpose for our life. Eternity after we die. When I look myself in the eye, and when I look myself in the eye, all you see is me, a broken shell of the man we used to be, and you used to see before believing all these lies. But I can still see the indecision in your eyes.